Welcome to my YouTube channel. I will discuss one question from General Aptitude of NET November 2020. Okay. The question is, it is given that A and B complete a work in 30 days, B and C complete the same work in 24 days, C and A complete the work in 28 days. So based on this statement, which of the following conclusion is correct? First option is C is most efficient and B is the least efficient. Second option, B is most efficient but least efficient cannot be found. Option 3 is given C is most efficient but least efficient cannot be found, and the last option is C is most efficient and A is the least efficient. So we find, so it is given A and B complete a work in 30 days. So from this we can conclude that A or B, so one of AB can complete the same work in 30 into 2, that is in 60 days. So if anyone will do the work, it takes 60 days. Similarly, B or C can complete the work in 24 into 2, that is 48 days. So if anyone from B and C will do the job, it takes 48 days. And similarly, C or A takes 28 into 2, that is 56 days to complete the same work. So from this and this, so here B is present, B is present. So if we add this 60 plus 48 and divided by 2, so we get, if A work alone, it takes these days, that is 108 divided by 2, that is 54 days. Okay? So if A will do the job alone, then it takes 54 days. Similarly, from these two, here C is present, C is present, that is if C will do the job alone, then it will take this 48 plus 56 divided by 2, that is 104 by 2, that is 52 days. And from this and this, from this and this, we get, if A will do the job alone, then it takes 60 plus 56 divided by 2, that is 116 divided by 2, that is 58 days. So we get, if, from here B, so it will be B. So we get, if A do the job alone, it takes 58 days. If C will do the job, it will take 52 days. And if B will do the job alone, then it takes 54 days. So C will take the less days. So C will be most efficient. And A takes 58 days, so more days. So it will be the least efficient. So C is the most efficient and A is the least efficient. So this option is correct option. Okay, so this is correct option. So this is another question from NET November 2020 from General Aptitude. So find the value of f of 0 where the function is given in such a way that f x plus 2 equal to this x plus 1 to the power 34 minus x plus 1 to the power 33 plus 5. So these four options are given: 5, 7, 6, 72. So to make f of 0, we have to put x equal to minus 2. So if you put here x equal to minus 2, we get f of 0. So put x equal to minus 2 in this equation, we get f of minus 2 plus 2. So this is minus 2 plus 1 to the power 34 minus x is minus 2, 2 plus 1 to the power 33 plus 5. So this will give f of 0, and this is minus 1 to the power 34 minus 1 to the power 33 plus 5. So minus 1 to the power even, so it will plus 1, minus 1 to the power 33, that is odd number, it will be minus 1, and this is plus 5, so this will 1 plus 1 plus 5, so this is 7. So this was very easy question, so option B is correct. So this is another question from General Aptitude of NET November 2020. So we have to find the shortest distance between the parallel lines A and B in the following figure. So here line A and B, so this is origin, this is 1 2 1 2, so this point will be 2 comma 0 and this is 0 comma minus 2. So we don't need that actually. So from this we see, So this is the triangle with side 2. So we have to find shortest distance. So we have to find this. So if we draw this, so it will be square with side 2, and this will be, so if we take right A, B, C, so OA, BC is a square, okay, with side 2 unit. Okay, so therefore the length of diagonal OB will be root 2 into side, that is 2. So the shortest distance, so this we have to find this. So this will be, the shortest distance will be this diagonal OB by 2, that is half of this diagonal will be the required shortest distance between these two lines A and B. So therefore this will be this root 2. So options are given, this. So root 2. So this option is right. So you can do this same problem by other approaches. So one of, you can use total as, so this is a right angle triangle. So we get this OAB. So therefore the rule, by Pythagoras rule, we can write AB square equal to OB square plus OA square. So this is 2 square. So therefore this will be 2 into 2 square. So AB will be 2 into 2 square. So that is 2 root 2. Okay, so this AB is 2 root 2. So now we have to find this, and this is right triangle. So now if you take this as OA and this is D, so we have to find this. So here this is right triangle. So therefore opposite of right triangle is the way which square will be. So there this is 2, and we find that this value, this total value is 2 root 2. So this is middle point. So this 2 root 2 and this is 2 root 2. So therefore this will be 2 root 2. So now we apply. So take this as x square, this as x, or you can take as OD square, and this will be plus root 2 square. So therefore OD square will be OA square, that is, this is 2 square, that is 4 minus this is 2, so therefore 2, therefore OD equal to root 2. So you can apply this Pythagoras rule to solve this problem also. So the ultimate answer will be root 2. So if you like it, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. I will discuss more questions from general aptitude of CSIR NET exam.